Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Today, I am doing a review on the epic M325 Logitech office mouse. If you guys want to buy it, then its link will be in the description below. Anyways, let's hop into it. Let's check out this mouse. The package contains a plastic mold, a small informational pamphlet, the mouse itself with the wireless USB receiver, and its own AA battery. The mouse has a small nook for the wireless USB receiver, so it's extra easy to carry over short and long distances. If you are connecting this mouse to a TV, then you're in luck because the wireless mouse can go 33 feet away from the USB receiver. To put that into perspective, 33 feet is the length of a London bus. So you don't have to worry about not having a mouse that isn't strong enough for you to use on your TV. The scrolling feature on this mouse proves that it's a web surfing mouse because of how precise the scrolling is. I feel like it's precise on a micro scale. So it makes it super easy to work on school assignments or even real work assignments. The battery life is 18 months, aka or also known as a year and a half. So you will not have to worry about having to charge your mouse. The only thing you have to do is every 18 months you have to change one AA battery. The mouse is compatible with all popular and semi-popular computer types, so you can have a Chromebook and a Windows PC that uses the same mouse. Also, the M325 comes with different colors you can buy. For example, you can get this mouse in blue, red, violet, and the best one, brilliant rose. The DPI is 1000, which is pretty good in my opinion. If you don't know what DPI is, it's dots per inch, which basically means the amount of time it takes your cursor to go across the screen. The M325's mouse's weight is 3.28 ounces or 93 grams. Now, let's talk about the actual looks of the mouse, so you can get a verbal sense of what this mouse looks like. Both sides have this really nice rubber that is easy to grip. I think that the gripping rubber is essential for a mouse like this because I have average size hands for my age, and my hands are obviously much larger than this mouse. The scroll is made of a rubber that can even withstand the sweatiest of hands. The mouse is made with lots of good parts and a lot of small details they added just to make sure that this mouse is worth buying. Now, let's hop into a web browsing montage so you can see how much fun this mouse is to use. If you enjoyed this week's video, please make sure to leave a like down below and consider subscribing. I do weekly uploads so you can watch a little bit of content every week. Anyways, let's hop into the outro.